What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is part number 3 of the 3-valve swap. Yeah, no pun intended there. Guys, we're going to dive right into action here. Dover's basically got everything ready to rock, everything to go in the engine. Couple of notes for you guys doing this swap. This is backup light?
No, it's this one.
Where is oh, here it is. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I had to extend this one because it stops at light right
Yeah,
now.
this because this is a GT 500 harness, and the 6060's got a different location. You will have to extend this because you plug in right here on, if you're using the factory 3650. Now, if you're swapping to like a T56 or something, you know, you're not going to have to do that. But
fine,
yeah, if you're running your stock transmission, you're going to have to extend. Was it probably 6-8 inches maybe, or? Man,
2 foot.
oh, shoot. Okay, yeah.
About that, yeah.
So quite a bit of length added in there to make that reach.
And I had to use the 3-valve connector.
Okay, yeah.
They look the
See,
same, but the pins were different.
pins were different in that. And then, let's see. We're looking at a solution on the high pressure switch, which we'll get into that more in depth after we get with power by the hour. But it's actually made into the engine harness on the 3-valve, and on this, obviously on the Coyote, it's not there. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick what we're talking about. See, it is made into the engine harness, this 4-pin connector, and obviously on the Yodi, it's not there. So we are gonna get with Frank on that at Power by the Hour and get the actual what's what on that. But for now, I think about time to drop this car down on it, isn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be a tedious task, but we can make it happen.
Oh, we'll get the big chunk.
Okay, guys, so this is what we're running into. Doesn't look like these are gonna, it's close, it's so close, but you can see that primary, that very top primary on both sides is gonna hit the body. So we'll probably do some tilting and some adjusting here. But, and again, this is dependent on your header. I mean, all headers aren't made the same way. Maybe this one just needs to be, you know, engine needs to be in the car, but you can kind of see straight down there. Just sticks out maybe an eighth to a quarter of an inch too much. But we're going to make some adjustments and continue on. See, all of these are labeled. Where's that one? Yeah, all these are labeled. You just plug it into the existing 3 valves. So this stuff is basically just a jumper.
There's one for the pedal. Let it go into that car.
Yeah, there's that's pedal harness. That's gonna go obviously to your accelerator pedal.
Mass
That's
airflow.
mass airflow.
Over there somewhere.
And
Fusion.
there's ground right there.
This comes to the fuse box.
Let me walk around this side.
Make it look like that again.
Right? What's this here? Auto. Okay. Okay, so that's automatic only. So if you're running 6R80, there you go. Plug that in. Neaten it up a little bit. And that's gonna go in this far end.
You throw this washer bottle back.
Right.
Room, huh?
It's all in the way.
Unplug your top.
Yeah, I agree with that. Got a little room under this box.
Yeah, shove it all under that box.
Where's the tip plugged up?
Snapped right in, didn't it?
And then you gotta tighten this up.
That's where that part of the PBH harness goes in. Alright guys, so right now just kind of looking at a few different things. Again, what you're gonna need, your fuel line comes up right down here, and obviously it's not gonna plug into the Coyote line, so we will have the update as far as what we're gonna do to plumb fuel to the engine, and then of course we'll talk about fuel system later in the rear. And let's see, got the intake on, got the fuel rail injectors, all that on. Just kind of looking everything over. Gonna put this ground up here with this ground. Have we run into anything else yet?
Not really, don't like much.
Everything's pretty well here.
And-
It's like we can run the factory purge valve,
I don't know.
maybe. Who knows?
Yeah, I don't know if that'd work. Or...
And then this is vacuum for the fuel pressure rail
Yeah,
fuel
so-
rail pressure sensor.
So we just need the one hose
Yeah.
to go to this.
So we can block that.
this.
Yeah, block
Over
that
here.
T off, and then that's gonna go on the intake side. Heater hoses and degas bottle we mentioned earlier. And the other thing we still got to figure out about the high pressure switch, because again, the wiring for that was in the 3-valve engine harness, so we'll figure that out. Oh, yeah, there's vacuum line. So there you go, guys. That's quite a bit of progress on the 3-valve swap. Keep it tuned right here. This thing's going super fast. Looking forward to firing this one up. It ought to run pretty good once it's tuned with the headers, the intake, all that. She ought to make some pretty good steam. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Don't trip over a jack stand, and keep tuned right here because we'll be driving this one shortly. Later.